Hi, good afternoon. So I'm very delighted to be invited here and to deliver this presentation. So my name is Cecilia and I'm from JLCPCB GmbH. And I'm very happy to be among of you and to give this speech. And the presentation will be divided into 4 parts. In the first part, I will introduce. Oh yes. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Forward.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so there will be 4 parts, and in the first part, I will introduce our company and to give you a first impression of who we are. And in the second part, I will discuss how we serve as a one-stop service supplier for electronic and mechanical suppliers for electronic and mechanical needs, and how we provide comprehensive service to our customers. So in the third part, I will talk about our customized 3D printing services. So customers can upload their files on our website, select the desired printing technology and materials, and order quantity, and then through our online coding system to submit an order to our ordering system. So in the fourth part, I would like to discuss the potential impact and promotion of our one-stop service in the 3D printing industry. So without further ado, and let's get started. So yes, and first of all, and I would like to say, like, JLC PCB defines itself as a leading one-stop service provider in both electronic and mechanical industries. So the service related to electronics include EDA, CAM software, and PCB intelligent manufacturing, stencil fixture, and part sourcing and SMT assembly. So, and speaking of mechanical service, so the service includes 3D printing, CNC machining, and mechatronic marketplace. So JLC PCB's 3D printing business was launched in 2020, and since its inception, it has perfectly leveraged the key advantage of 3D printing, namely providing customized service and supporting personalized design. And it also offers rapid response and fast structural optimization. So JLC PCB's 3D printing service effectively address some of the challenges faced by individuals, 3D printing enthusiasts, and small company engineers in the past years, such as high production cost, expensive 3D printer purchase and maintenance cost, and inadequate material preparation. JLC PCB current 3D printing services aims to provide cost-effective products and services. As a result, the printing products are comprehensive priced, of high quality, and delivered quickly. So yes, so we are very delighted to see that the one-stop mechanical service model, which has proven to be effective in running the 3D printing service, represents the concept of one-stop service. This concept had already been applied to JLC PCB's PCB and PCBA services in the previous stage of our development. So over the years, leveraging the industry experience, accumulated in the PCB prototyping and small batch production process, JLC PCB has developed cost-effective, highly customized electronic one-stop service. Yes. So JLC PCB started providing PCB prototyping and small batch services for individual users, electronics enthusiasts, and small company engineers with the aim of offering solutions to the challenges they faced. The challenges include high order costs, extended lead time, and substantial shipping fees when they require PCB prototyping or small batch service. To make matters worse, many PCB manufacturers in the past did not accept low quantity and small batch orders. So in order to solve this kind of problems, JLC PCB started prototype and small batch PCB production in 2006. So since then, JLC PCB has been continuously driven to be more efficient and highly cost-effective. Yes, and JLC PCB promised to offer customers the most economic PCBs forever, manufacture the cheapest but with top quality PCB. So in 2015, JLC PCB created the innovative low volume SNT service mode, and in the same year, LCSC was launched and now stocks more than 25,000 parts with more than 150,000 registered users. So with the growing proficiency in our business in recent years, JLC PCB has gradually established a stable customer base for small batch services, known for the competitive pricing and quick delivery. Yes, and supported by a comprehensive service system for a long time. Yes, and in 2021, JLC PCB introduced a customized 3D printing service, leveraging digital technology to empower flexible manufacturing. Yes, and stemming from the model of small batch PCB customer customization, the 3D printing service has been well received by customers right from the start, with customer members growing at a rate of 3 times per year over the past 3 years. Yes, and in this picture show our 3 developments stages of JLC PCB, and first is startup stage and rapid growth stage and integration stage. Yes, as mentioned earlier, and we began our PCB prototyping and small batch business in 2006, and in 2015, the establishment of LCSC marked the introduction of a component procedure platform, and simultaneously JLC PCB ventured into SMT assembly service. And then in 2021, we initiated our 3D printing services. And so from 2016 until today, JLC PCB has been dedicated to create a one-stop service ecosystem. As of now, we have developed 2 major service lines, and first is one-stop electronic, and second is one-stop mechanical manufacturing. Yes, here's our company scout and numbers of staffs and so on. Yes, and this is our customers are spread across the world, and we have customers across the world in 118 countries and regions worldwide. Yes. Here we go, and I would like to introduce our one-stop services. Yes, and we just PCB, as said before, we are as a one-stop services supply in electronic and mechanical industries. Yes, and JLC PCB offers a one-stop electronic service that includes free EDA software and high-precision PCB manufacturing, assembly parts library, and global part sourcing, and as well as stencil fabrication and PCB assembly. We want to show here like JLC PCB serves every step in the PCB design, from design and to the manufacturing process. Yes, and here's our one-stop mechanical service. So it's building on years of our experience in the PCB manufacturing industry. So JLC PCB introduced the 3D printing manufacturing service in 2021. In the realm of 3D printing, JLC PCB offers 5 different printing technologies, includes SLA, MJF, SLM, FDN, SLS, and provides a selection of over 14 different kinds of printing material. And we also with the capability to offer like lead time as fast as 24 hours. Yes, and in this year, so in 2023, we expand our service by adding CNC machining and a mechatronic parts warehouse to enhance our completeness of the one-stop mechanical service. And we also plan to like gradually introduce the sheet metal processing and injecting molding service in the future, very soon. Yes, and this is a flowchart showing in the operation of JLC PCB's one-stop electronic and mechanical service from the customer's perspective. The following are the main steps in the flowchart. So customers start by designing their PCB files. They can use JLC PCB's free online PCB design tool, which is Easy EDA, which is provided for free. And this tool integrates the component catalogs of our LCSC parts platform and our JLC PCB. So allowing customers to conveniently select parts, check stocks in these two platforms, and check the component prices and SMT information for PCB orders on JLC PCB to shorten the part selection and project design cycles. Yes, and after completing the design, customers can use our Easy EDA's one-click feature, which redirects them to JLC PCB ordering system. So it's our JLC PCB ordering page. Here, customers select the PCB parameters and specifications, and online coding system provides an accurate code for the order immediately. So following the website instructions, customers go through the steps to complete the order, ultimately submitting the order to our ordering process system, which is also called our ordering processing system. So orders undergo review to ensure everything without error. Yes, once the order is approved, the order is sent to the factory for automation production. So after the order is completed in the factory, the products are picked and packaged and then delivered to the customer. Yes, and the flow chart is applicable not only to PC manufacturing, but to the manufacturing of our 3D printing products. So customers can upload their files on our 3D printing ordering page and select the needed process, material, and so on, and etc. And then they will receive an instant code on our ordering page. Yeah, and the flowchart highlights JLC PCB's mission to facilitate and expedite. We hold the innovation by providing convenient and swift one-stop services. So regardless of whether customers require customized prototyping or small batch or large-scale production, JLC PCB can meet their needs, making the product development more convenient and efficient. Yes, and yeah, here we want to show so our primary business goal includes PCB and PCBA prototyping and small batch production, large-scale PCB and PCBA manufacturing, and a company component marketing, a marketplace as part of one-stop economic service platform. So additionally, we have established a one-stop mechanical service platform centered around 3D and 3D printing business. So, and we also hold the interconnected one-stop service facilitates and accelerates the innovation, drive global hardware development. That's our hope and our mission to be. Yes. Yes, and here JLC PCB aims to demonstrate the company's one-stop service platform. So the platform has effectively addressed several significant challenges faced by, as said, by customers, namely the difficulties in prototyping, high costs, and long-term lead time. Yes, and JLC PCB developed comprehensive solutions and acquired significant experience to address these three major challenges. So this is reflected in our products and services through the concept of high cost performance ratio, which translate into low prices and fast turnaround, all while maintaining top product quality. Yes, so our one-stop service platform is designed to make prototyping more accessible, more affordable, and efficiency for our customers. By leveraging our integrating software tools, EDA, CAN, and streamlined ordering process and optimize manufacturing capabilities, we have successfully reduced the barrier associated with prototyping, enabling customers to bring their ideas to reality quickly and cost effectively. So the high cost performance ratio principle is a testament to our commitment to providing value to our customers. So it means that we offer competitive price while ensuring the quality of our products and all our services. And we also maintain our product quality. So this value proposition allows our customers to not only save on cost but also receive orders promptly, which is essential for, yes, we hope for accelerating product development and time to market. Yes. So in summary, I would say JLC PCB one-stop service platform has effectively addressed the challenges prototyping difficulties, high cost, and long-term lead time, and enabling us to offer a high cost performance ratio that combines low prices, fast turnaround, and superior quality to benefit our valued customers. Yes. And this is our third part and about our customized 3D printing. So I will provide a brief introduction to our JLC PCB customized 3D printing service. So there are advantages of our 3D printing products, and these are similar to those of our PCB and PCBA products. Like JLC PCB 3D printing products offer high cost performance, where you can have industrial grade products for as little as only $1. So speaking of JLC PCB 3D printing advantages, JLC PCB has a well-established and 3D printing business with the capacity to cater to various customers' needs. And JLC PCB 3D printing services includes a range of printing technologies, allowing the customer to fulfill different requirements. And it offers a variety of materials for 3D printing, is enabling customers to choose the most suitable materials for their specific applications. And JLC PCB provides comprehensive technical support, such as guidance on materials and best practice to ensure successful 3D printing on our website. Yes, and most importantly, we dedicated to provide customer service for our customers. So our customer support service is available around 24 hours around the clock to assist with inquiries and support customers' needs. Yes, and this is the scout of our 3D printing service and factories and capabilities, etc. Yes, and here we'd like to share an example of how fast we produce a PCB prototyping 3D printing products. And yes, but due to the time, I will leave you to just look through this folio and. Yes, and then we go to this part, and so this is the fourth part we'd like to share, and we hope to discuss with you how a one-stop services can strengthen the communication between suppliers and the 3D printing printer suppliers and yes, and material suppliers. So, yes, by transferring the demands and feedback from customers to suppliers, new requirements, optimization or updates on techniques or materials, could happen. If Yes, and in the end, I would like to introduce our our role and our mission. So JLC PCB actually hope to drive and accelerate the global hardware innovation, and this is also our aim to purchase. Yes. So if you are interested in anything about JLC PCB, you can find us on these social platforms. You can also visit our online ordering website and contact us through email or anything. Yes, and that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Yes.